Weekly Crypto Regs Roundup. SEC Mulls Innovation Exemption. Lummis backs Bitcoin tax break. Cryptocurrency. Regulation. SEC. Journalist. Tanzeel Akhtar. Journalist. Tanzeel Akhtar. About author. Tanzeel Akhtar is a seasoned journalist who has been reporting on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology since 2015. Her work has appeared in leading publications including The Wall Street Journal. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. October 10, 2025. The crypto regulation environment for digital assets in the U.S. is evolving rapidly, with policymakers balancing technological development and investor protection ahead of the 2026 election cycle. This week's developments mark a major shift toward mainstreaming crypto within traditional finance. From Washington's proposed innovation exemption for blockchain startups to North Dakota's state-backed stablecoin and Senator Cynthia Lummis's renewed push for tax reform on everyday Bitcoin use. SEC eyes innovation exemption to keep builders onshore. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, Chair Paul Atkins confirmed that the agency is finalizing an innovation exemption framework intended to support crypto firms experimenting with blockchain applications inside the United States. The measure, expected by the end of 2025, would offer a regulated sandbox for blockchain startups, allowing them to test products under limited oversight rather than relocating to friendlier jurisdictions. Atkins said this remains a top priority despite the government shutdown, CoinDesk reported. We want innovators to feel welcome here, so they don't flee to foreign jurisdictions, he added. If adopted, the exemption could provide a clear pathway for blockchain firms to innovate within the U.S. without facing immediate enforcement risks, a long-standing concern for the crypto industry. Analysts view the move as a strategic response to international competition, as jurisdictions such as the EU, UAE, and Singapore have already implemented comprehensive digital asset frameworks. North Dakota launches the Rough Rider coin, a state-backed stablecoin. In a move that could redefine state-level participation in digital finance, North Dakota has announced plans to launch the Rough Rider coin in 2026 through the Bank of North Dakota, the nation's only state-owned bank. Developed in partnership with fintech firm Fiserv, the stablecoin will be fully backed by U.S. dollars and primarily used for interbank transactions, such as loan settlements and construction advances. North Dakota's initiative follows Wyoming's Frontier Stable Token, launched earlier this year, positioning the two states at the forefront of integrating blockchain into public financial infrastructure. By leveraging distributed ledger technology, the Rough Rider coin seeks to make financial transactions between local banks faster, more secure, and less reliant on traditional payment rails. Industry observers say the project could serve as a blueprint for other U.S. states exploring tokenized money systems, especially as Washington debates the future of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Senator Lummis and Jack Dorsey unite on Bitcoin tax reform. Meanwhile, Senator Cynthia Lummis, Republican Wyoming, is advancing legislation inspired by Jack Dorsey, the founder of Block and a vocal Bitcoin advocate, to exempt small Bitcoin transactions from capital gains tax. The proposed de minimis exemption would exclude purchases under $300, up to $5,000 annually per taxpayer, from IRS reporting requirements. The measure would make Bitcoin more practical for day-to-day payments, removing one of the biggest obstacles to crypto's mainstream adoption. Working on it, Lummis confirmed on X, pointing out her ongoing collaboration with Dorsey. The initiative revives her earlier Digital Asset Tax Fairness Act, which stalled earlier this year, and aligns with broader Republican efforts to reduce regulatory friction for digital assets. Crypto becomes a voter issue ahead of 2026. A new poll from McLaughlin and Associates and the Digital Chamber shows that 64% of voters now consider a candidate's stance on crypto very important in shaping their vote. The results indicate a growing bipartisan interest in digital assets, with most investors favoring Republicans to lead crypto policy reform. 3/4 of respondents said they support the Trump administration's rollback of Biden-era enforcement actions on digital assets, reflecting a shift in public sentiment toward lighter regulation and innovation-led policy. As crypto regulation deepens, digital assets are evolving from niche financial tools to a defining political issue. With federal agencies, State governments and lawmakers now aligned on expanding blockchain's role in the economy. 2025 may mark the year the U.S. began closing the gap between regulation and innovation. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Dogecoin price prediction. Millions in Doge suddenly disappear from exchanges. Is a major price spike coming? Why is crypto down today? October 10th, 2025 Bitcoin price prediction. Is this 9% crash the calm before a $130,000 storm? Crypto price prediction today, October 10th, XRP, BNB coin, Sway. Price analysis. Shiba Inu price prediction. Shocking hidden data shows SHIB might be stronger than it looks. Should you get in now? 14 hours ago. By Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Same signal that preceded big crash just flashed again. Should you panic? 23 hours ago. By Arslan Butt. Industry talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for October 10th, 2025. Crypto market extends losses as liquidations surge. ETH drops under $4,000. BTC steady above $120,000. 1 day ago. By Jai Pratap. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 19 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 14 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 19 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 5 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29th, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3rd, 2025. By Ben Beto.